You can actually clone anyone's voice. And no, I'm not talking about paid tools like Speechify or 11 Labs. With this free AI tool, you can sound like Eren Yeager, Goku, or even Naruto, all without spending a single dollar. You get 12,000 characters completely free, and if you stick around until the end, I'll show you how to get even more characters without paying anything. Let's get started. First, go to YouTube and search for Eren Yeager English voice lines. Pick a video with clear audio, then download it using a YouTube to MP3 converter or record it using any screen or audio recording tool. Now, open a new tab and head over to play.ht. Click Try for Free and sign up with your email. Once you're in the dashboard, on the left sidebar, click on Voice Cloning. Click Add Clone. Give your clone a name like Aaron Voice, and upload the audio file you downloaded earlier. For the description, keep it short, something like Aaron Voice sample from YouTube. Once that's done, click Voice Clone to start the cloning process. After your clone is ready, you can make it say anything. I'll paste in 3 iconic lines from Eren Yeager. Generate all to create the audio. If the pacing feels too slow, you can drag the paragraphs closer together on the timeline to speed it up.
You win, you live. If you lose, you die. Subscribe to Becky the AI Girl.
And here's a quick tip to get more characters. Go to a temporary email site. Each new temp email you use gives you a fresh 12,000 characters, so you can keep generating for free. And that's it. You just cloned Eren Yeager's voice with completely free AI tools. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe. It really helps a lot. Thanks for watching.